When you hear the words financial freedom, what comes to mind? For many, it's images of Lamborghinis, sprawling mansions, or private jets. But the truth is, for most of us, financial freedom looks a lot different and a lot more attainable. It's about having real choices in your everyday life. It's the ability to make decisions, big or small, without that constant nagging stress about money holding you back. Imagine opening your credit card bill and not feeling a pit in your stomach, or handling an unexpected car repair or medical bill without spiraling into debt or panic. That's what real financial freedom is. It's about control, not extravagance. It's about peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. It's the power to choose a job you love, even if it pays a little less. It's the freedom to travel, to start your own business, or to spend more time with your family, without worrying about making ends meet. And here's the best part. This isn't just a fantasy reserved for the wealthy. It's something anyone can achieve, no matter your starting point. The foundation of it all? A simple, honest budget. Budgets get a bad rap. People think they're about restriction, about saying no to everything fun. But in reality, a budget is about intention. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. With a budget, you can spend on what truly matters to you, whether that's saving for a dream vacation, building a safety net, or simply enjoying a night out with friends, while still building security for your future. Think of your budget as a roadmap. It guides you from where you are now to where you want to be, helping you avoid detours and dead ends along the way. In a world overflowing with financial noise, endless ads, social pressures, and get-rich-quick schemes, a budget is your tool to cut through the chaos and focus on what's truly important. Without a plan, your money slips through your fingers. You're left at the end of the month wondering where it all went, feeling frustrated and stuck. But with a good budget, you're in the driver's seat. You decide where your money goes, and you start to see real progress. It's the first step to breaking the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, and the beginning of building real wealth, no matter how much you earn. Financial freedom means your money starts working for you. You're saving, investing, and watching your efforts grow over time. So why wait? Start today. Build your plan, take control, and give yourself the gift of choice. Remember, every journey begins with a single intentional step. Your future self will thank you for starting now. True freedom is within reach, if you choose to take that first step today. Ready to take control of your financial future? It all starts with a simple plan that anyone can use, no matter where you are in life or how much you earn. Let's talk about the 50-30-20 rule, a straightforward way to manage your money and build wealth over time. Here's how it works. Split your after-tax income into 3 easy-to-understand categories. 50% goes to needs. These are your essentials, like rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, and transportation. These are the things you truly can't live without. 30% is for wants, the extras that make life enjoyable, like dining out, new clothes, hobbies, or that weekend getaway you've been dreaming about. The final 20% is for savings and debt repayment. This is your future fund. It's for building an emergency cushion, paying off loans, or investing for long-term goals. You don't need complicated spreadsheets or fancy apps, just 3 simple buckets to guide your spending. This framework gives you both structure and flexibility. If you manage to spend less on needs, you can boost your savings or treat yourself a little more. It's all about balance, making sure you're enjoying today while also preparing for tomorrow. Think of it as building a house. Your needs are the solid foundation, your wants are the creative design, and your savings are the strength that holds everything together. All 3 parts work together to create stability and peace of mind. The 50-30-20 rule keeps your finances balanced, your stress low, and your goals always in sight. It's a blueprint anyone can follow, no matter your age or income. Start here, and you're already ahead of the game. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck. It's about having a plan and sticking to it, one step at a time. Let's break down the 50% for needs. These are your must-haves: rent or mortgage, utilities, basic groceries, transportation, health insurance, and minimum debt payments. Be honest, don't confuse wants with needs. A safe home is a need. A luxury apartment is a want. Reliable transport is a need. A new sports car is a want. Keep these essentials at or below half your take-home pay. If you're over, it's time to cut back or make bigger changes. Controlling this category is the first step to financial stability. Now, the fun. 30% for wants. This is guilt-free spending on things you enjoy: dining out, streaming, hobbies, travel, and treats. Wants aren't essential, but they make life richer. The key is balance. Enjoy, but don't overspend. Track your wants to stay within your limit. Prioritize what matters most to you. Cut back on small splurges if you want to save for bigger experiences. This category is flexible. Make it work for your happiness. Spend intentionally, not impulsively. That's how you enjoy life and stay on track. The final 20% is for your future, savings and investments. Start with an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of essentials in a high-yield account. Next, save for goals, down payments, big purchases, or retirement. Invest in retirement accounts like a 401k or Roth IRA. Use this category for extra debt payments, especially high-interest debt. Paying off debt fast is a guaranteed return. Consistency is key. Small, regular contributions grow over time. This 20% breaks the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. It's your ticket to real financial freedom. Let's see how the 50-30-20 rule works in a real-life scenario, so you can picture exactly how to apply it to your own finances. Meet Alex, a young professional who takes home $4,000 each month after taxes. Like many of us, Alex wants to cover the essentials, enjoy life, and still save for the future. For needs, Alex sets aside $2,000. This covers rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and minimum debt payments. Everything necessary to keep life running smoothly and stress-free. For wants, Alex budgets $1,200. This includes things like a gym membership, dining out with friends, entertainment, shopping, and even setting aside a little for a future vacation. Those extras that make life more enjoyable. The remaining $800 goes to savings. Alex uses this for extra debt payments, building an emergency fund, and investing for retirement, laying the groundwork for long-term financial security. By keeping essentials within 50% of income, Alex ensures there's always room for both fun and future goals, without feeling deprived or overwhelmed. The wants category is flexible. Alex can shift spending between categories each month, depending on what's most important or what's coming up. Savings are split up too. Some goes to paying down debt faster, some to building a safety net, and some to investing for the future. This way, Alex is prepared for surprises and for long-term dreams. This approach helps Alex enjoy today, like dinners with family or planning a trip, while also building security for tomorrow. The structure is simple, but the impact can be life-changing. It brings clarity, reduces stress, and helps you celebrate small wins along the way. Anyone can use this blueprint, no matter your age, background, or financial situation. It's flexible and can be tailored to fit your unique needs. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Adjustments are normal, and every step forward counts. Start with your own numbers, give yourself permission to learn as you go, and watch your financial confidence grow with each month. Creating a budget is easy, sticking to it is the challenge. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to automate tracking. Link your accounts and see your spending in real time. Set up alerts to avoid overspending. Pay yourself first. Automate transfers to savings right after payday. Treat savings like a bill, non-negotiable. Use separate accounts for needs, wants, and savings to stay organized. When your fun money account is empty, pause spending until next month. Consistency beats perfection. Make tracking simple, and you'll stick with it. The 50-30-20 rule isn't just about budgeting, it's about building wealth. Saving and investing 20% unleashes the power of compound interest. Small, steady contributions grow into real wealth over time. For example, saving $800 a month at 8% returns can make you a millionaire in 30 years. This isn't luck, it's discipline and consistency. The rule makes you intentional with money, aligning spending with your goals. You become the architect of your financial future. Every dollar saved is a step toward your dreams. This system connects daily habits to lifelong success. We've covered what financial freedom means and how to get there. Feeling overwhelmed? Just start small. Write down your monthly take-home pay. Calculate your 50-30-20 targets. That's your blueprint. Next, track your spending for a week. No judgment, just data. See where your money goes and spot easy changes. Remember, a budget is a key, not a cage. It unlocks less stress, more options, and real freedom. You have the power to change your financial story. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Take the first step today. Your journey to financial control begins with action.